As Almarie said yesterday, a trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing goods or services of one enterprise from a different one, and it must be used in the course of trade. So it can be a combination of words. So in this case, Toblerone is the name of the person that started Toblerone. It's got that on the little ones you won't see that, but it's got a mountain on it, which it's the Matterhorn mountain. It's a key landmark of Switzerland. All that is trademark protected.
Another IP that I can look to see is the design.
What's the design?
So the design on the logo and the configuration of the letters and also the shape of the chocolate.
What, also there?
The shape of the chocolate.
Yes, fantastic. What about the shape?
Aesthetic. It gives like an aesthetic.
Who said both? Okay, you get a bonus point. You get a prize, you get a bonus prize. Okay. So the interesting thing is it's both an aesthetic and a functional design. Aesthetic, your normal slab, it's a flat, that's your standard chocolate. A Toblerone has got this specific triangular shape to aesthetically represent the mountain, which is also a triangular shape. But, so the functional design is it breaks more easily in the shape it is. And the trick is you don't break it like this. You squeeze the two together and then the chocolate breaks easier. So that's the functional design. In 1907, when Toblerone started, they had a patent for the specific way in which the chocolate was manufactured. So now that patent has, I think, lapsed. So copyright, it protects any original work. So copyright in a Toblerone or any other thing can include the written material information, also on the packaging. Like, you see at the back here where it comes from, that layout, that's also protected by copyright. And then things like their website, the story behind the brand. Packaging, artistic design, and the website, so well done. I was also thinking of a geographical indication perhaps. So a geographical indication is a sign that you can put on a certain product where the geographical area where that product is from gives it certain qualities. In South Africa, a very famous geographical indication that we have is Rooibos tea. It's on the EU register. It only grows in a certain area in the Western Cape. You have to manufacture it in a specific way, and then you can get that stamp, and it's a sign of quality, and you can then charge premium prices for it.
There's another one that was not mentioned yesterday, and I think it's top secret. And
go on,
for example, Nando's, the Nando sauce that you see in stores,
yes,
it's not the same Nando's that you find in their restaurants. So they have a secret.
A trade secret. Yes. Well done. Well done. So the requirements are it must be capable of application in trade or industry. It must be secret or confidential. As soon as it's out in the open, it's not a trade secret anymore. You can't protect it. And then lastly, it must be of economic value, such as the secret Nando sauce. So I think Coca-Cola is also kept in a vault. The Coca-Cola recipe or the KFC special spice recipe, it's kept in a vault. Only certain people have access to the vault, because once that's out in the open, it's no longer a secret anymore. You can't get protection.